Welcome to Profloan 3. This video will cover solving for term in months using the world's best financial loan calculator. Before viewing this video, users should familiarise themselves with Profloan 3 basics and solution patterns. When solving for term, cost net, interest rate, a term value greater than 0, and a solution pattern are mandatory. The term value determines the number of cells available for the solution pattern. The solution pattern may consist of any positive number, including 0. Therefore, structured patterns are acceptable no matter how complex. When creating a solution pattern for solving term, if the solution pattern is the same value throughout, that is, non-structured, one need only place that value in cell 1. Now simply click on the Solve for Term button. Note the term. This concludes this video.